All right, guys. So these are the new Challenger taillights for the 2015 and up, right? The 2015 is the one, right?
Correct.
And we have Jake, Mr. Jake over here, and we are installing these taillights on a 2020 Dodge Challenger. Now, when you receive these taillights, that's how they're gonna look, okay? And this is the prototype version, okay? And so basically, when you remove your taillights from your car, that's how everything is gonna look.
So this is what your stock taillights will come off with, these covers right here. So you're going to need to uninstall these covers. And it's this little star bit right here on each one. Star bit. And then you're going to need to remove this.
This plastic piece.
Plastic piece right here.
This long one. This long plastic piece.
Which is held on by a few of these...
star something. I don't know.
Star lock.
Star locks, yep.
And then you got a couple of screws here. Star bits, and then this thing will come right off and you transfer it over to the new light.
Yeah, so you have to basically remove some of the original wiring and all that stuff from the original tail light and transfer it over to the new one, and we will show you the steps. So first we are going to be removing this cover from the tail light, the outer tail lights. Sometime, when you remove them, you're like, which one goes where? So just grab the other one. So which one is that one?
This is the right side.
Right side, and
so we need the right side.
this the one there? Yeah, right side the one. Okay. So go ahead, put it. Yeah, there you go. So you know exactly where it goes before you waste time on it and try to figure it out.
Yep, and it has this little extrusion there. It's got two holes. One of them is held by that little tab there, whatever you want to call it. And that's that.
All right, passenger side done. Do the same thing on the driver side. All right, now the driver side, do the same thing. Okay, so driver side, passenger side, both lights are done. There's no need to transfer anything else from the original taillights. So think of these as your original taillights. Now the main thing is the center bar. So okay, so remove these screws first, because that plastic piece needs to be removed and transferred to the new one. Now this plastic piece is really soft. So when you guys are removing it, don't yank on it. Don't, because if they are deformed, it's gonna be a little hard for you guys to straighten it out. So just be careful with that piece especially. So remove the screws first, and then we'll get to those star clips or whatever they're called. Star locks, yeah. Is it star lock? Yep, they're called star locks. All right. And there is a way to remove it, and we'll show that to you.
Once we figure it out.
We figured it out already. We messed it up so many times. All right. So first remove these screws. The other one too? Last one or no?
Yeah, we got these two more.
Oh, two more. All right. So two more.
And then one on the end here.
All right. Now do not lose these screws. All right, because it's going to be hard for you guys to find it. All right, because these screws are not provided. So, all right. So now the star one, right?
The star one is a little different.
Yeah, so okay, so your star lock is gonna be a chrome color like this one. We replaced this one. So when you are removing it, you have to basically open these what are these called?
These little stars, because it's going to latch onto this rubber piece. So the best way to do is to kind of go behind it and
Open these triangular looking.
Yeah. You can peel it right off.
There you go. So once again, be careful with this one. So just take your time with it, and
Yep.
So once you remove like release like 2 or 3 of them, then it should come off. And then you're gonna need a hammer to straighten these things down.
Or you can just buy new ones.
Or you can buy new ones. Like we bought ours from Amazon. This is what it's called. Upside down, but you got the idea. All right, so yeah, this is a new one. That's why we're a little bit struggling with it. Otherwise, method is that you basically
just yank on until it breaks off.
okay, don't do that. Yeah, when you remove it, it might look a little
unless you don't want to use your
messy, but unless there's a tool for it to remove these locks, we tried to look for it. We couldn't find anything. Maybe there's a tool for it to install and uninstall. What?
You like doing things the hard way.
Yeah.
It's fun, more fun to figure it out.
All right, but you guys got the idea. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, so all the star locks have been removed, and that's where they are right now.
Yep, and it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 star locks.
Yeah, about 8 star locks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep.
Okay, so all those are removed. So this is your plastic piece right here. It's going to come off.
Yeah, and then you're going to transfer that over to the new one.
Light. And there are some little clips on the bottom of this. So don't pull it straight off. You kind of have to fold it back to get these to release.
Yeah. So just take it easy with it, okay? You guys don't want to break them. And carefully. It's like, okay, show it like how soft this thing is. See, like it's very soft. Yes. I don't know why they use this kind of material, but anyways, it's Dodge. All right. So then you transfer this piece to that new light. All right. Now another thing is this is the lock button, or
this is your trunk release button.
Yeah, the trunk release. Yeah, sorry.
So we got these 2 screws back here that we're gonna have to remove to take this out. Two screws.
All right, don't lose these screws. All right, so the trunk release is open. Now you need to carefully remove.
Yep, you see that's attached to this plug right here.
Yep, we need to remove that whole thing.
Remove this plug out.
You have to. Yeah, the one on the right side. Oh my God, this is a tough one. But there you go.
And it has this clip that's going to attach to the new light.
Yeah.
And then you have your plug here.
Yeah, you need to remove that. The other one you can leave it. That's belong to the tail light. So that's it, right?
Yep, that's it.
Do we need to transfer anything else?
Nope. This
Okay.
is all just the tail light.
All right. So.
Now this right here.
Oh yeah. We need to remove that too.
Gotta remove the outside pieces.
These outside pieces needs to be removed from both sides. They needs to be transferred over too. All right, we are in business.
All right. So there's nothing else on this light that we need.
All right, so put it on the side.
So we've got our pieces that we took off our center bar there. We're gonna replace these on your lights. It'll be just a single light that you're taking this stuff off of. But we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this. As you can see, there are these little, whatever you want to call them, spikes, whatever. That's gonna help you align that piece. And then we're gonna put our 4 screws back in.
Jay, speak up a little bit, man. First of all, you don't have a radio tone. Oh, on top of it, you talk slow.
I talk slow because, people have a hard time sometimes.
Then people will be like, I can't hear you. I can't hear shit.
I'd say, well, that's why there's a volume on your computer. Turn that shit up.
It's all the way up. I still can't hear shit.
Well, then clean the shit out of your ears.
This is bullshit. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 3 pieces or 4 screws, right? Yes, so 4 screws on each side. So this is how you do it on both. So when we are doing the first one, and then we're gonna head to the next one.
Okay, so we have our trunk release button here and our harness. So we're going to reinstall this one now onto the new light. There's these little spikes here you're going to use. Position it. If it doesn't position correctly, then you got it on backwards. So it should seat properly, and then you got a little groove right here for the wires to come through. And we have 2 screws that are going to reattach this to the new light. Okay.
All right, that's done. And then you put this thing back in its space.
Right
Yeah, there
here.
you go.
I think it goes like this.
Yep.
You sure?
So yeah, one is bigger, one is smaller. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Pops right on.
Okay.
So you got your plug right here, which we'll use this later. You got this plug, go together. Click.
Okay. And this one over here, the black one, right there. Yeah, this one connects to the car.
Yes.
All right.
The outside lights.
Yeah, and these are gonna connect in between. The wires will be supplied, so they're gonna connect in between, like over here. One's the white one over here, white one on each side.
And then you also notice on the back side
Of the which tail light?
of the center one, you have these 2 plugs here.
Yeah.
These are for sequential turn signal and animation.
Yeah.
So if you don't want sequential turn signal or animation, you just unplug these and leave them unplugged.
Yeah. And we'll show that to you in action as well, and confirm it also. Okay. All right. So the only piece needs to go back on is this plastic one,
Plastic piece right here.
upside down.
Yeah.
And now once again, be very careful with it, especially when you are installing those star locks.
And you see though too, on the bottom side, you see these grooves right here. That's where these are going to go into.
Okay, everything is in place. Put the screws on first, right?
Yep, that's the hold it. One thing too you'll notice is that this has to slide back there. So if you're having a hard time getting it in there, this lip will slide further back into this groove right back here.
Okay.
And then there's your clips. Not really clips, just little hooks. Best thing to do is to put the screws on first so that it can hold it in place. And then you can put your star locks back on.
All right, so the screws are going back. Like Jake said, put the screws on first before you guys install the star locks. So there were about what, 8 of them, right? Yeah, 8 screws total.
There you go. 8 star locks.
And 8 star locks, yeah. 7 or 8 screws and about 7 to 8 star locks. Alright, so put all the screws on and
Okay, so one tool that we use, I don't know if there is a tool on the market that helps put the star lock bits back on, but we're just using an 8 millimeter ratchet, and we just put it on there and then hold the back side of it and then just press it on. It puts it on pretty good.
there you go. So that's how you install the star locks.
Yep. So Oh, the
Small?
no putting
wrong way.
Oh. Here we go.
All right, so all the star bits are installed.
So this is what your light should look like when you're done.
Yeah.
Transferring everything over.
Yep. So take your time with it, and the next part is the installation. Show the light a little bit, so then they can get an idea.
Take it off?
Yeah, take it out. All right. So the lens is smoke. Inside bar is frosted white.
Might want to remove the pieces before you install the plastic.
Yeah. There you go. So say something about the build and all that.
So we got our super high quality light here. It's got a light smoke lens to it. It's not too dark. It's perfect.
Okay.
One piece light bar, and this is your trunk part.
Now.
And then we have our outside lights here. We spent a lot of time perfecting these lights and making sure they're perfect. Okay guys, one thing that when you're reinstalling these for your outside lights, you're going to notice on your OEM light piece that you need to transfer, you got these 3 holes. On the new light, you have these 3 brackets. Also on the side, you have this lip right here. This is going to go right inside there. So make sure when you're reinstalling this that you put it in those grooves and reinstall it into that lip, and it will fit flush and perfect. Okay, so we got our light situated, our covers back on. We spent a lot of time with production on this light. Very high quality. We got a 2-year warranty on them. You can buy an extended year warranty for them, but super high quality. These lights, you guys are going to really enjoy them for a long time. But let's get them installed now.
Now installation is the same process, like the way you remove them. So everything is pretty much plug and play.
Alright guys, so we got our light. We got the back of our car here. This is what it's going to look like when it's uninstalled.
From the previous set, we ran the wires already.
Yep.
Okay, so we just need to connect it.
So you have your OEM plug right here. This is going to connect right there. And then this is kind of what it's going to look like after you're done running the wires. You'll have these 2 other wires that are going to connect on the back side here.
On each side. This one and that one over here.
Yep.
Okay.